Hey, Conk.
Today's May 9th.
I'm Dylan.
I'm Harjop.
I'm Anad.
And you're watching Conk TV.
Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please be seated.
Clubs today at Kentwood.
Asian Cultural Club in room 514. Book Club in room 164.
Campus Cleanup Club in 504. And D&D Club in 565.
Chess Club in the 900s. Environmental Action Club in 558.
Kentwood, do you have the need for speed? Kentwood Dance Tryouts for Clinic, May 6th, 6 to 8 p.m. Info meetings, May 13th, 6 p.m. at the Kentwood Library. Tryouts, May 20th, 21st, and 23rd, 6 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Be there or be square.
Hi, I'm Payan. I'm here with
Señora Urbina.
This is Dr. E. Klein and E. Fenglan, E. 老师. Hello.
Mr. Rizzo.
I just have a couple questions for you today. One, what aspects of your culture do you wish more people knew about?
I wish that more people knew that Puerto Rico, originally named Borinquen by its Taino ancestors, is a territory of the United States. I wish more people knew and understood that.
All right, so let's start with my name, yeah? Fenglan is my first name. Nancy is my middle name. Last name, E. Klein, Y-I-C-L-I-N-E, because I am a hyphenated Asian, specifically Chinese American, okay? So what that means is when you ask me about culture, it is important to make sure that I am making the whole community understand that I'm more than just one or the other, but both.
Okay, so Rizzo is an Italian last name, so I am mainly like Italian Norwegian.
Oh, wow.
So Rizzo, if I would pronounce it right, it'd be Rizzo. Rizzo, because double Z like a pizza does a ts sound.
What does your culture mean to you?
My culture is everything. It's a huge part of my identity. It has shaped my perspective, and also it has ingrained in me values and beliefs that are inherent to my family and also my friends who are Puerto Rican. We have a lot in common, and it's really important to me to share my culture with others and to teach about my culture to others so that we all can learn from each other about different cultures. That's very important to me.
Right. What does it mean to me? I think it comes back to, again, where I grew up, where I went to university, the work I've done. Let's start with just color, for example, okay? Being Chinese, I love color red. And then numbers. I just love 6 and 8, right? Because it really said, in Chinese, it's 6 8, because it rhymes with 有发, like prosper again, right? So some of those, they will come into my life. But one thing I do feel that is who I am is the Chinese modesty part. That's something I learned to be more American, to tell people what I've done, to celebrate. But sometimes maybe the Chinese side says, you should be more modest and maybe don't say too much about yourself.
My culture to me means kind of like, it's like kind of like the question of like, okay, where do I come from? What are all the different things that led to me being where I am? To me also, I think a lot about like food as well. I think a lot about like food, mainly like, all the food we cook.
If you didn't know, there are two phrases that Puerto Ricans will always recognize. The first is huepa, and the other is yo soy boricua, pa que tú lo sepas, huepa.
Multicultural Assembly tomorrow after your 5th period at 12:31 to 1:17.
Hey, Kentwood, this is the schedule for the Multicultural Assembly tomorrow And here is the seating chart. It is organized by class, so freshmen will sit with freshmen, seniors will sit with seniors, and so on.
Welcome back, everybody, to Artists of Kentwood. I'm your host, Lucas, and we are back today, this week, with a very interesting request, a music artist this time. They go by the username 111 Night Shift on SoundCloud.com. They make hyperpop music and breakcore music. Love that. I listened to some of their songs. They're perfect. They're beautiful. Love that. Use my Instagram. Follow me. Shoot me a DM if you want to be on next week's Artists of Kentwood. Ciao.
Varsity softball game away at 3:30 p.m. Track and field at Federal Way Memorial Field, 2 p.m.
Head out for boys soccer today at 7 p.m. Plays Tahoma at Mapleview Middle School. Beat the Bears.
Hi, my name is Andrew Darko. I'm a senior in Kentwood, 6 foot, not that matters. And I'm out of here in like 5 weeks.
So how's your year been, Darko?
It's been pretty good, pretty fast, I'm not gonna lie. Felt like I was in August, not that long ago.
Alright, how's like your attendance and everything?
Oh yeah, I don't skip class, I go to all my classes. Yeah.
Oh really? So how are you keeping up with like the schoolwork?
No, I don't at all, you know. I just fall asleep in class or either just stay at home.
Wait, where's Zarko at?
Thinking about life.
You got any favorite memories here at Kentwood?
I think my favorite memory around in East Kentwood is probably meeting the people around, you know. I remember that this dude named Romy. It's pretty weird.
What are you gonna do after high school?
Oh, after high school? I'm gonna go to school again. Favorite class at Kentwood? Probably my 4th period.
Why?
Because I get all my lunches.
What do you mean by that?
I get lunch A, lunch B, and lunch C. All 3 lunches, just for me. Yo, where my hug at?
What's your favorite thing about Kentwood?
My favorite thing about Kentwood is probably the security people. Security people like Shannon, Clint. Pretty nice dudes. Guys, men.
Yeah.
My advice for these youngsters, just go to class. Do your homework.
That's all for today, Kentwoods.
Let's make it a great day.
It's great to be alive.